Hey everyone, it's Bella from mergerdata.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to copy and paste actions from one workflow to another workflow. This is especially helpful if you have two workflows with similar or repetitive steps. Let's go ahead and get started. So one important thing to note is that you can only copy and paste actions from one workflow to another if they are both the same flow type. For example, you can copy and paste actions from one marketing email workflow to another marketing email workflow, but you can't copy and paste actions from a standard workflow to a marketing email workflow. So here I have two workflows. These are just two basic example workflows from the templates that HubSpot offers. So I'm just going to select one of these actions. I'm going to use the delay until Monday action. And what I can do is go ahead and copy this action to the clipboard and then go over to my other workflow. So what's really helpful here is to have your workflows in two separate tabs so that you don't have to go back to your workflows and then reopen it. You can just easily navigate between the tabs. So I'm just going to scroll down. This one already has delay until Monday, but just for example purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and show you that you can go ahead and paste this after or before the action. So now delay until Monday is put into this workflow and it's copied from this other workflow. If you are trying to copy and paste actions that are not of the same flow type, you are able to copy. So you'll get up to this point where you can copy, and then when you try to paste um, the action, it'll come up with a error at the top that'll say that the flows are not the same type, and so you can't copy and paste these actions.